Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Please subscribe my channel and was thank you watching and best of luck, my friends. Canva is a very easy and simple platform is online. I can some presentation the how to make money with Canva. A lot of people, the lot of website, lot of blogs, nicely presentation Canva earning. Just I can present the lot of website my channel. How to earn money in Canva. How to earn money in Canva. How to earn money Canva. Very is nice presentation on 25 voice in Canva. How to make money with Canva. How to make money with Canva and 21 Supreme oil. Our website is very simple, understanding the affiliate link rate and providing popular pitch in anything on ratings. How to read in tools. Last update in 2023. You have earned in creative role graphic design likely, and this Canva is a online design can creator design platform. Canva is a online design can creating and the platform who is the hundred over millions of user that is always easy to create beautiful graphic design and videos. The manage content marketing schedule, creative schedule, social media platform, kit design products and more. Eat also and potential ammoning and this the feelings and that get harmful herself and the powerful tools for the several remarking work and this always to the collect and is to it is work thing. I can repeat some product. How to make money can with Canva. How to make money with Canva. How to make money with Canva. 25 oils. How to make money with Canva. Our channel, you have Canva is online design, create over and of millions. The 100 millions user, the always easily create beautiful graphic design and video, manage content marketing, schedule, create and schedule social media post, create digital products and exciting and the emoji and there are the final and least powerful and the several emojis. The Canva use the creative person look and the remote and side hearts. Canva is the perfect tools help the monetization and skill though over gatekeep and you're reaching creative on your some who is standard working and arts. My favorite way to make money with the Canvas, same process income stream, like create and selling, graphic design, e-template, etc., etc. Uh, Canva is the tools user creating process, but from there are useful. Another app will come to pay and excel in Shopify. There are graphics and more. The simple income and say take and this is the website and income and more and this is the income and over the understanding business and yourself and marketing the wheel is the Canva uploading website creative design and this freelancer service great convert use the primary use tool and necessary process and nothing who is the leaking successfully several there are the Trends and brands and fashion things and medias. You sell arts and business idea. You sell idea, business idea. You sell business idea, and they're hard the best make money using Canva. 25 why make money Canva and create, and there is the hard sell on Canva template. Create and sales process in work and the provide in the Canva. You can create and sales buttons problem including planner, journal, calendar, coding book, coding trucks, Pinterest oil art, stake post, worksheet, workbooks, calendars, blue stick, recaps, prints, emergency inform sheet, correction, and the many more. To come up, use an important create and the browse and this process Canva translate and who is the creative and this popular remarks and the to can us instant create and this the free pro and using Canva don't stale and set and design which sell interest good and ideas popular promotes good ideas and popular is in instant. Baby bros scores and education and this easy Shopify Conjure Telegram pros and process for world and state earn and this free course my friends tools inside into 10K per month in business. 10K per month in business. Sale Canva template. Some are the use explain in many own business using the Pinterest image and social media emails and etc etc. Business owner is the only people who can benefits and the stake and use can also use canvas and the ideas canva template create and this is strong and the process of canva Instagram casual template and Pinterest pin template, TikTok template, and part channel template, media key template, resume template, website template, newsletter template. So to sell his template, was usually several, and this key can canvas sellings, and these are drones and these are easily create canvas selling and product like design planner same. I made the 30K last in Canva creating selling the design products all using Shopify. Shopify is honor and members how to design platform, design journal, design art, course and own Dixon. Design and art series sheet and create, manage and social media graphics business. Social media business and this and usually appearance and graphics and those social media introverts. Freelancer social media design manage to virtual assistant. You can use Canva both creating, manage, and schedule social media and Instagram and how to create and phrase and fraud marketing. Instagram, lot of means marketing, design, breaking, and there are couple is taken meet using and make using that. using that, and Fiverr, Upwork, or the Crane business and the Instagram social media platform. Design ebook cover all of some and self and platform Amazon Kids and Read Publish, Apple Books, other in design and input and others. Um, Creative in infographics, graphic design, 99 design and Fiverr. Business and website can offer using the just complete and this. Design in social media ad. Many business turn on social media advertising to reach target audience. Obtain your several design virtual reference if social media for your client and Canva using Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, direct client outside of this platform. Design logos. Business where of looking for service design, start a new business. You can offer logo design, service freelancing, and that. The design crowd, 99 design, Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. A lot of design, 10 number, create Pinterest graphic design. Pinterest is a powerful platform of drive traffic website and the hang traffic drive to my website. Use Canva creative Pinterest graphic design and this affiliate income and ideas sell. You can also creative Pinterest graphic design can be virtual on this. Creative design Pinterest dream and products. Jackson I can Canva design creative Pinterest design graphic website. Number products in the shirt, t-shirt and sweater bag and sweater, sauce t-shirt and bag, thumbnail mug. You can create and friends and there's the principle and that's your best and success within the previous and this creative person and sales and video course timbal teach habal traders gumbal amber etc etc. How to create Canva beginners and social media build on your within this skill. Create paid newsletter in Canva. Canva is a clear niche in Canva. How template in this is that Canva and there's plot Canva. A lot of things in Scholar the monetize and that is skill newsletter to stick in Canva creative and newsletter. Canva is uploading because it's private $500 to $500 a month and this accessing and exchange. So go to his cities, create website graphics, the easy design card and go to create travel intent. Travel in lot of design in a website blog farm, create YouTube thumbnail, join the Canva creator program, template illiterate education research, photo videos, etc. Join the Canva affiliates program, blue and red in Canva Hublet, and this is the how to make money with Canva LTLDRS. And what is the Protestant Canva? 20 years make money with two or to make money with Canva. A lot of information this website. Nicely presentation this present how to make money, and Canva within this Canva platform. How to 25 super oil the Canva platform. Thank you. Best of luck, my friends.